What's going on, guys? It's Friday. Let's go and get on right into it. You know what day it is? It's Tool Haul Friday. So we're going to start off with this. It's 10-piece angle wrenches. Here's part number. This is only going for 19 bucks on Amazon. I normally don't use angle wrenches much, but for the price, go ahead and pick up the set. So it does come in a plastic holder, and this is a metric set. So it goes from 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and I believe 18. Let's go ahead and get this plastic off of here. That way I can confirm that last sizing. Drop forged. So not bad. It's a $19 set of wrenches. Like I said, so it's got a straight front of the, well, not straight, but normal end, and then your angled end right here. Something I'm not going to use normally on a regular basis, but I saw it, so the price. I'm going to throw it in my wrench drawer here. That way I have it when I need it. I'm sorry, actually it came with a smaller size. Didn't even look to see that. So it comes with a 6. I'll take care of that later. All right. So here's the last thing I got. My little OT that I got from work. So picked up this 100-year anniversary snap-on plier set. Comes with a slip joint. Looks like the compounding one, or not the compounding one, but it's got 3 positions: needle nose, pliers, and then your diagonal cutters. So we can get this bad boy opened up. Not that I need any more pliers. No, I didn't. Especially your basic regular pliers, but I do want to start collecting these 100-year anniversary stuff. So this was a pretty good deal online. So we're going to start with the needle nose. Still needs to be broken in, a little stiff. USA. There's the part number, 100-year anniversary stamp on there, or not stamp, but a little etching or whatever. It's very nice. And of course it comes with a plastic blow molded case, or a tray, I'm sorry. I'm just all kind of discombobulated today. All right. This one's really stiff, but there's part number for that one. And there's the part number for that one. So 3 multi-positions on this. And very nice cuts in these. See if I can get a cheaper pair out. These are some Doyle's. You know, it's just got the regular straight horizontal cuts in them. Definitely gonna have to get these broken in. So yeah, that is my tool haul for the week. Been eyeing this set for a while. Paid about $125 for it on eBay. So really happy about that. There's the part number for the whole set, 3-piece plier set. So don't know where I'm going to store these yet. I'll probably just put this tray up in my cabinet or up here with the rest of them. Throw the pliers in the drawer. Just running out of room though, so we'll figure that out later. But yeah, hope you all are having a good weekend. Pretty much the only update I have going on for this car here is just interior work. Got the radio. I had a bunch of wiring underneath this thing that I pulled out already. I'm going to put in the blower motor today or this weekend along with the resistor. I do need to test out that blower motor and see if it's working or not. I purchased one because the rear blower motor for some reason is really expensive compared to the main one. This one I only picked up for 35 bucks. The rear one, man, it's going for like 150. I mean, anywhere between 130 $150 for aftermarket. I mean, just imagine paying OEM prices. So I haven't even looked at that yet, so I don't really know what the price is going for OEM ones, but probably going to try to test it and see if it still works. But at least the resistor for that one is still fairly cheap. It can be had for about 20 bucks or whatever on Amazon, eBay or whatever. So we'll get that tested out, get all this buttoned up, get all that wiring cleaned up over there. I need to track it down and make sure it's just all still aftermarket wiring. So I got a little quick video that I'm gonna post up separately of this universal antenna installed. Got it routed down. Looks like the previous owner jacked up the, I'm assuming that's the internal wire, but it's no longer usable, so it was cheaper for me to get this used one, a universal one that plugs right back into there, so at least it'll get some kind of reception. Then we'll go from there. Once I get all this buttoned up, then I'll put the center console in, start pulling all the interior stuff, and get it all kind of straight away, and then get this thing pushed out of the garage and fire it up and bleed all the fluids, make sure there's no air bubbles in the coolant, the power steering, and then go get some new tires or used tires for this thing. This one's the wrong size to begin with, and then hopefully I can get it inspected and put a for sale sign up on this thing. Also, I need to paint this thing as well too. So it's coming along. The weather's starting to cool down a bit, so I should be able to get some more garage time out here and wrenching on it. So, but hope you all have a good weekend. Y'all take care.